Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to sell ebooks on Shopify. So this is a very easy and quick tutorial. First, just go to any web browser and then log in or sign up for Shopify. Once done, then you have to create your store first. So go to online store and then you can customize a template or a theme. You can use the Dawn theme here in order for you to just simply add pictures and products and no more editing. Okay, so for example, this is my online store here in Shopify. So the next thing you should do is you need to add your products. So you need to upload your ebook to be exact. So add a new product in your Shopify dashboard, navigate to products and click on add product. This is where you'll upload your ebook file, typically in PDF or other format if you want. Attach digital files. You'll need an application like digital downloads. If you want to see more tutorials about digital downloads, you can go to our YouTube channel to see how to use or how to get this digital downloads. Okay, so you'll need an application like digital downloads from the application or Shopify App Store to handle the automatic delivery of your ebook to customers after purchase. Simply upload your file through this application to ensure customers receive it immediately after payment. Number three, you have to set your price. So determine the value. You have to consider factors like length, content, and market demand when pricing your ebook. If it's highly specialized or includes valuable information, you can charge a premium. Also, you must know this pricing strategy, offer introductory discounts or bundle deals to be exact. Currency settings, ensure your store is set up to handle multiple currencies if you're selling internationally. Next is optimize your product page. So compelling title and description. Your product page needs an attention-grabbing title and an engaging description. Also, you must add images to your product page and it should be optimized as much as possible. And as much as possible too, you need to include reviews and testimonials. Number five, choose a payment gateway. So Shopify offers several payment gateway options such as Shopify Payments, PayPal, Stripe, and other things. And last but not the least, promote your ebook. You can leverage social media, use platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter to promote your ebook. Email marketing, run ads, collaborations, and SEO blogging. I really hope this video helped you. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.